Here we are with part 4 of Singers Back from the Dead. I'm going to be cleaning a 99 and a 127. The problem with the 99 is much the same as the other one. It's been, can barely turn that again, barely turn it, and one of the main problems I think is that whoever used it before has used grease, and if I can get this out quickly, which you just have to bear with me, a bit fiddly this one. There you go. It's absolutely full of muck and rubbish, and what I'm going to do is try and clean this out as much as possible. And as you can see, on the base there is absolutely full of grease, and it's ordinary household grease that you buy, or tomato grease, which I don't think is helping at all in this machine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean both of them, soak them in a engine cleaner, and then give them a good steam clean. First of all though, I think I need to get rid of a lot of this, so if you can just bear with me a second and I'll just try and get something to clean that out with. So I'll just remove the lint first. Big heavy chunks of it. And then I'll go in with a chemical cleaner. I'm not going to do this one on the top because that actually looks very clean inside. It's absolutely fine. And this one is a good clean. Work it well into the system. Straight away you can see how it's cleaning it up. Agitate it all inside. This is a water-based car cleaner, so when the steam hits it, it will just take it all out. The important thing is getting it dry afterwards. If you do use a steam cleaner, just let it get very, very hot, the metalwork, and that will evaporate most of the water. I'd also do underneath, but for today's purposes I'll just show you what this will do. Okay, so now to the good part. Steam cleaner is about 15 quid, worth every penny. As you can see, it's clearing out all the old oil. and this one particularly. Going again with a bit of cleaner. Really work that in. All the areas. Best thing is actually put it on and leave it on for about 20 minutes, but because I'm short of time today, always short of time, just a bit of a clean. Straight away I can see what I'm actually working on. Whereas before it was just like putting this. Okay, one last clean. That's running slightly smoother on that one, but as you can see, that actually now looks a heck of a lot cleaner. With a bit more work that will be spotless. And what I'll do with this one is that I'll also put a hairdryer on it to get rid of all the water, just to make absolutely certain that there's no water ingression in there. But that is now spinning absolute treat. On a good day I would also do inside there as well and give that a good clean, which I most likely will do now actually. So that will be in part 5. Thanks very much for watching. Bye now.